I'm going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol AUPH, currently traded at $7.12. What a move here! What a move! Coming off of the $3.86. There's a few things here that I'm really watching personally. I mean, look at this right here. You guys had a big gap up here, came back right down, and started bouncing off that support, bouncing off that 496. And keep in mind that all these support levels that I kind of put together here from October last year and 2015. All right, so to kind of give you an idea where am I getting all these lines from, you can go way back there and see that. Okay, so let's zoom in right here, take a look at what we can be paying attention to. My personal opinion, looking at the current setup here with this chart, I personally think that it's going to start correcting itself. You guys had a gap up right here, and no, you guys actually gapped down. I apologize. I looked at it wrong. But yeah, right here, like I said, you guys gapped down a little bit. It's already showing, some weakness right here in the interest. Okay. If $6.55 doesn't hold, I really think that there's a possibility you could come down to $5.45 and then possibly $4.96 and bounce off that 10-day simple moving average as it moves up. We would have to watch this thing more closely in the days moving forward. I can kind of put these moving averages up here to get a better idea as those climb up. I just personally think that it's going to start pulling back down here to the $5.45. And there is a gap down here. I'm going to make note of that gap so we have that I did talk about this also. And that gap's going to be coming from way down here at the 372 all the way to the 450. And looking at the back here in the past, there is solid trading between that level. So that being said, there is a possibility for sure it could pull down quite a bit from here. So keep an eye on this one. That is all I have to add for the chart. We'll see what Joe has to say. We'll go from there.
All right, so the latest press release was on March 6th, and it was Aurinia announces acceptance of voclosporin late-breaking presentation at the National Kidney Foundation 2017 spring clinical meetings. So Aurora LV Phase 2B 48-week data of voclosporin for the treatment of lupus to be presented on March 20th, 2017. So Aurinia Pharmaceuticals is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that's focused on the global immunology market. Today, on March 6th, announced that its late-breaking abstract for voclosporin has been accepted for oral presentation at the National Kidney Foundation 2017 Spring Clinical Meeting, taking place April 18th through the 22nd, 2017 in Orlando, Florida. The oral presentation titled Treatment of Active Lupus Nephritis with voclosporin, 48-week data from the Aura LV study will be made by lead author Dr. Samir Parikh, a clinical investigator for the study and assistant professor, clinical nephrology of the Ohio State University on Thursday, April 20th, 2017 from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. A corresponding late-breaking poster presentation of the 48-week Aura LV study data will also be presented at the NKF 2017 Scientific Clinical Meeting. A copy of the abstract will be available on the conference's website, and it's over at www.kidney.org / spring clinical. We are pleased that the Aura LV 48-week data have been accepted for the late-breaking oral presentation and look forward to sharing those important results with the nephrology, scientific, and medical communities, said Richard Glickman, Aurinia's chief executive officer. So that's pretty much that. So I mean, this study that they have right now, they're obviously going to be going and presenting the phase 2B 48-week data over there at that thing on April 20th. So that's pretty much where you're getting that rise from. Because obviously, how many people do you know that will go and present shitty data? I mean, sure they do, but you know what I mean?
Right.
So obviously, this is all on speculation that data is obviously good, hopefully, and obviously better things for the company are in store. So time will tell. I guess we'll find out on the 21st after they present it on the 20th. As always, if you have an opinion on the company or you're looking to research more on the company, go right over to the AUPH board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you can look into their filings, their financials, their buy rating, their recent news, and the time and sales of the stock, the company profile. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors by posting over there on the message board.
All right, there you have it. And again, with the chart, 709, in my opinion, buying has slowed, and this will begin to pull back, in my opinion, to 545 maybe, just around that area. That's why I put a maybe in there. Resistance at 706, support at $6, $5.45, $5, and $4.50. That's my personal opinion. We'll see how it plays out. Could keep rallying up. It's very possible it's outside that upper boundary band. You guys got that spinning top. So that's what I'm going to be watching for. AUPH, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate that. And share this video with all other investors. If you have a hot stock you would like to share with us for us to take a look at and do a video like this, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know.